In today's video, we are going to learn how to do basic subtraction in Excel. Let's get started. To my right on my screen, you can see a pretty much short data set. We are going to be working with this data set. As usual, when carrying out calculations or carrying out any action that involves the use of a formula, we start off by imputing the equals sign, which I've already done. Next, you tap on the first data, indicate your minus sign, tap on the second data, indicate your minus sign, and tap on the last data, and there you press your enter key. In order to do this for the rest of the data set, I simply have to use my drag and autofill function. And that is it for that. To my left, you see a larger data set. Imagine working on a job or a freelancing project where you have to subtract at a certain point, but you're dealing with a much more larger data set to that on my left, probably twice that or thrice that. Do you start doing minus, 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 indicating minus for each value? No. Watch out for my YouTube video rather, on how to subtract large data sets using a range function. Thank you very much for watching.